how to get your home ready to sell. Hello everyone, this is Cole here with the Vancouver Life Real Estate Group powered by eXp Realty. And if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of what's happening here in Vancouver, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. When selling your home, making it feel as inviting and appealing as possible will help get you the most amount of money in the least amount of time. In this video, I will outline the most important areas that you should be focusing on when getting ready to sell. The first thing you should do is change light bulbs and update light fixtures. It's easy to forget about those light bulbs that have burnt out over the years, but you're going to want to replace them and make your space as bright as possible. Light makes a massive difference to potential buyers. If you have dated fixtures, which it's okay, most of us do, then just take a quick trip to IKEA or Home Depot for some affordable options. After that, you should consider paint touch-ups or possibly repainting. A fresh paint of coat is one of the cheapest ways to freshen up your home. Bold colors can be off-putting for some buyers, so take the time to repaint that yellow bathroom or that blue bedroom. Light colors are the best way to go as they will actually brighten up the space and make smaller rooms feel bigger than they actually are. Next up, get some boxes and some duct tape. A big part of the journey that you're about to embark on involves reducing clutter. And an investment under $100 will get you the packing solutions you need that are most convenient. I would recommend using Frogbox, and I've actually put the link in the bio. They're reusable boxes that are also environmentally friendly and easy to use. Next up, we're going to get into the actual home, and we're going to start by tackling the bathrooms. Remove all the toiletries and accessories that you have on display in the bathroom. Nobody wants to see what type of soaps and shampoos that you're using. Invest in some new white towels and try not to use them. For affordable options, I would go to Homesense, Winners, or Costco. If your toilet seat, shower curtain, or bath mats are getting a little gross, be honest with yourself, then it's time to replace them. And again, you can go to Homesense, Costco, or Winners to get those. After the bathroom, let's shift your focus to the kitchen. And out of all of the spaces in your home, the kitchen is probably the most important one. Remove all your blenders, spices, coffee machines, toasters from the counters. You want the counters to be as clean as they possibly can. Make sure the fridge doesn't smell, remove magnets, photos, and any reminders that are on it. The main reason we want to declutter and remove photos and magnets and reminders is because we want potential buyers to walk into the space and be able to picture themselves living there, which can be difficult for some people to do when they already see that someone else is fully living there and has memories in that space. You should follow those same guidelines for the living room, dining room, and storage spaces. Declutter, put away personal photos and items, and in the bedrooms, make sure that you tidy up the closet spaces as well. Buyers will come through and open closets, and if there's stuff everywhere, they might not think that there's enough storage for when they move in. Once you've tackled all that, then you're pretty well set. And the last thing you can do is just make an extra set of keys. Your agent will need access to your home when working with stagers, photographers, and ultimately buyer's agents. So making that extra set can make things a whole lot easier for everyone. I have a full detailed list of everything that you can do to make your home ready that includes a couple extra steps that weren't in this video. So if you'd like to get that checklist, then just leave me a comment below and I'll reach out.